Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello, Clashers. In this video, I will explain how to make a new Clash of Clans ID. To create a brand new village, you'll need to set up a separate Supercell ID. This system allows you to link multiple game accounts, each with its own unique progress, to different Supercell ID. It's a fantastic way to manage several villages on a single device, giving you flexibility and more ways to enjoy the game. Let's dive in. To begin, open your Clash of Clans game and navigate to the in-game settings menu. Look for the Supercell ID option and tap on it. From there, you'll want to select Register New to start the creation process. You'll need to enter a valid email address, which will then receive a 6-digit verification code. Input this code into the game to confirm your new Supercell ID. This email will be the key to accessing your new village. Next, we'll connect and configure. Your Apple Watch will display a unique animation. Hold your iPhone's camera over this animation to pair the devices. Once paired, you'll be prompted to tap Setup for Myself or Setup for a family member. Then, decide if you want to set it up as a brand new watch or restore from an existing backup. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and sign in with your Apple ID. Managing multiple Clash of Clans accounts is straightforward once they are set up. Simply access the Supercell ID menu in your game settings to easily switch between your various villages. Remember, it's crucial that each village is linked to its own unique Supercell ID email address. This allows you to have many distinct villages on a single device, each with its own independent progress and achievements. It's a convenient and efficient way to enjoy multiple game experiences without hassle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.